Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a clean Steam profile. First, open the Steam application on your computer and sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, go to the top menu and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile button on the right side. This will open the profile customization settings. To make your profile look clean, start by choosing a simple and short profile name. Avoid using unnecessary symbols or long words. For the summary section, keep it minimal. You can write something simple or leave it blank if you prefer a clean look. Next, scroll down to the avatar section. Upload a clear and simple profile picture. Avoid using low-quality images or overly complicated designs. A minimal image or a logo works well for a clean style. Then, go to the Theme section. Choose a neutral or dark color theme for a simple look. Avoid bright colors or animated backgrounds if you want a professional and clean profile. You can also remove unnecessary showcases or artwork by scrolling down and disabling extra profile sections. This will make your profile appear less cluttered. Finally, make sure your privacy settings are set the way you want. You can keep your profile public, friends only, or private depending on your preference. Once you are done, click Save at the bottom to apply the changes. Thanks for watching.